Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Varma. I give daily job updates in my channel and I also provide daily tips and different exam procedure. So today I am going to discuss about AMCAT examination. What is AMCAT test? How to register for AMCAT? What is the exam fees? How this is happen? All these things I will discuss in this video. So stay tuned with me and watch the video till end. Don't skip this video. This is for everyone, those who are completed their graduation and those who are in the final year also. For everyone it is too much information and it is very much helpful to you. So watch the video till end, and if you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel. So AMCAT is happened by the Aspiring Minds Computer Adaptive Test, and it is a test process to evaluate a candidate's skill such as aptitude skill, reasoning skills, technical skills and mental ability skills. AMCAT is an adaptive test. And are you familiar with adaptive test like CoCube test? Similar like AMCAT test. So who are eligible for this test? Any undergraduate or postgraduate degree candidate who are completed their education or in the final year are applicable or eligible for this examination. As I have already mentioned, how frequently you can test, you can give this AMCAT test. AMCAT test is conducted every month in 30 plus cities. So you can choose various time slots on Saturday or Sundays. It will happen in weekend also, so it is very much easier for you. You can prepare well. Very big company like TCS, Cognizant, CTS, HCL, all these big companies hiring through these AMCAT procedures. Yeah, I know TCS use their TCS NQT procedure, but before that they used to do this thing using the AMCAT, and they are taking questions from AMCAT. So it is a very good practice to give this test in your final year or after your completion of graduation. So what is the syllabus of AMCAT test? You need to have give 3 compulsory modules and maximum of 2 optional modules. Those compulsory modules are English comprehension, quantitative ability, logical ability. All these category are having 900 marks. So what is the duration of the test? The duration must be 3 hours, okay, and there is no negative marking. It is the good thing about this test. And what is the amount you need to pay for this test? 900 rupees you need to pay for this test, and also some service tax is applicable to it. How many times you can appear for AMCAT? You can appear for 4 times, and you should have at least 3 months gap before attempting to the next time. Suppose you are giving AMCAT test in this month, then you will apply for the next AMCAT test for after 3 months. Okay, so what are the companies like IT product companies, IT service companies, financial institution, automobile companies, telecommunication companies? All these companies are hiring through this AMCAT score, using the AMCAT score. More than 700 plus companies use this platform as a exam procedure or hiring procedure. So what is the best time to take AMCAT test? The best time is just prepare and take the test as soon as possible. So how will you get the sample papers? I will give the link in my description box. You just need to click here and you will get some sample papers of AMCAT test. You will find that link in my description box. So what is the advantage of taking this AMCAT test? So AMCAT has been a good way for students from low tier college in India to get a good job outside the campus. It regularly used by IITs, BITs, VIT, etc. So what is the disadvantage? AMCAT has degraded the quality of jobs with time and totally concerned about selling their digital products to earn money. So but one thing I must say, I have also placed in my company through AMCAT, so I suggest this thing. It is good for everyone. So that's the today's information, my friends. So if you think it is helpful to you, please like my video and please subscribe my channel. I will give daily job updates. So thank you, thanks for watching this video. We will meet in next video. Goodbye.